If you want to add rotating icons on iOS 18, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, download an app called Quickie, right? This app will help you basically shape your widgets. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and open up the Quickie, right? And then basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and hit transparent. Okay. And as you can see right here, you're gonna see advertisement. Just go ahead and click transparent. If you want to set your background screen to be something else, you can just do that. In my case, I'm gonna keep it, and then go to the large screen or the large section, click add from here, and then select your basically icons, right? In my case, I'm gonna select circle icon, right? And then just select the background picture, right? And as you can see, you're gonna hear the voice. Go ahead and hit skip, okay? Then basically you could just go ahead, write an icon shadow, and then go ahead and click get startup diagram, right? And then just go ahead and hit replace, right? Watch video video advertisement wants to use this feature. I'm gonna just go ahead and click watch the ad, and I'm gonna get back to you afterwards. After you finish the ad, just go ahead and click close, right? And then just go ahead and watch the video for setting up your circle icon. And basically you can go back to your screen now, hold an empty space, click edit at the top left, and click add widget, and then just add Quickie, and you'll be able to see the many templates. Go ahead and click add from here, and then select the large, right? And then select the widget that you have, and basically select the circle icon, and then you're gonna be able to add it as your home screen. In my case, I don't want to add it, so basically don't do it on your own time. I already showed you how it's done. So watch the ad, and then just add the widget, and you're gonna be able to add the circle icon. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.